Hello again. This is just a quick shot at the front end of Farrington Lake here in East Brunswick, New Jersey. It's really a pretty spot. This is on the other side of the bridge. Some beautiful homes hiding behind these trees, but what's nice is for the most part you really can't see them, kind of secluded. So it really gives you a really pretty shoreline here. Really like it in this back section. Front section as well. A couple of geese getting ready to fly south. In the sky above, you can see them. Say goodbye. And we saw some great blue heron a few minutes ago hanging out on the shoreline. It's just a pretty spot. Hear the geese overhead, and otherwise it's pretty quiet and you get to enjoy the tranquility of the place. And